wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best finger toys. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the hometall skate park kit lets you easily turn any surface in the house into your very own practice site for mastering ollies and kickflips, offering an assortment of ramps and stairs. The only thing that can get in your way is a lack of imagination. It includes 3 boards and snaps together easily. Other accessories are sold separately. At number 9, if you have any budding artists in your family, the Alex Toys Art Studio will soon become a favorite item in their collection. They'll be drawing beautiful rainbows in every color imaginable with one of these snugly attached to each fingertip. They're stackable for storage and perfect for small hands, but note that they're not for children under 2. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the USN Slingshot rocket copters are not only entertaining and fun, they also offer valuable learning experiences, helping to promote hand-eye coordination while building science, technology, engineering, and math skills through play. These are equipped with glow-in-the-dark flights and soft foam tube bodies. However, note that the lighting mechanism isn't replaceable. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for finger toys, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the jaw-chomping action and boisterous roar of the wowwee untamed T-Rex will make a superb addition to a miniature army. Download the battle app to train your beast to take down enemies, or hold down the sensors to release a little prehistoric gas and make them flee. It's available in 4 colors and recommended for ages 3 and up, but the batteries drain quickly. Moving up our list to number 6. For the avid Potter fan of any age, there's no need to get bashed up by those pesky bludgers to catch the xstar golden snitch. There are several to choose from with lovely etchings on each, so there's sure to be one that will suit your taste and style. It comes with a stainless steel center bearing and helps to improve focus. It fits easily in your pocket. Halfway up our list at number 5. Put all your digits to work arranging the joeyank infinity cube into an array of varying angles and shapes. It's a great way to keep your mind focused and calm when you need relief from situations that may cause anxiety, or if you're simply trying to break a bad habit. It's an ultra-durable construction that's made of an anodized aluminum alloy with smooth-moving joints. At number 4, when your child's imagination is paired together with the Paw Patrol, they'll have endless hours of fun protecting and aiding the good citizens of Adventure Bay. Whether they dream of being a firefighter, police officer, or pilot, they'll always have a spot in the pack. These feature friendly-faced characters that stand up to wear and tear. They're suitable for bath time. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. When the day gets stressful and you need a way to refocus and get your creative mojo back, the Flickits fidget spinner is a handy thing to have in your pocket. Its sleek frame and beauty will have you so mesmerized you'll feel relaxed and recharged in no time. It averages 4 minutes of spin time and is made with premium ceramic bearings. It boasts an unbreakable design. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for finger toys, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, teaching children to mind their manners and be respectful is one of parenting's trickier challenges. With the betterline happy helpers, youngsters can get playful practice being courteous to members of their community from several professions and backgrounds. These are sized for adults and kids and are machine washable. A downloadable ebook is also provided. And coming in at number 1 on our list, with tricolor highlights on its knees, elbows, and tail, the wowwee fingerlings can make your playtime brighter with cheery tunes and silly monkey babble. When the day is done, it'll blow you a kiss, close its eyes, and nod off to dreamland. It offers over 40 movements and effects, and comes with a tiny best friend. It reacts to sound and motion. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for finger toys, or simply click beneath this video.